How to change email address on Pinterest. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, do you need to update your email address on Pinterest? So, in this video, I'll show you how to change your Pinterest email address quickly and safely. Let's dive right in. Open up the Pinterest app. Head over to your profile in the bottom right corner. Tap on the profile picture on the top left. Go to Account Management. There you'll see your email address. Just tap on it. Just remove the email address there is and put in the new email address, and then tap on confirm email address, and you'll need to verify the new email address. Make sure to check your email box for the verification email and confirm it, and after verification your Pinterest account will be updated with the new email. And that's it. That's how you change your Pinterest email address. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.